7 unsecured loans for bad credit. Loans can help respond to an emergency, consolidate debt, and even fund major purchases without the use of credit cards. But it is difficult to be approved for unsecured loans with bad credit score. In this video, you will discover 7 unsecured loans for bad credit consumers can be approved. Even those who have already faced challenges getting approved for loans due to limited credit history or problems in their credit report. If you need to get approved for unsecured loans for bad credit, keep watching this video. It is designed to help borrowers with poor credit to find lenders that are most likely to get them approved. In addition, at the end, you will discover some simple tips you can use to get approved for almost all types of loans, even if your FICO score is poor. Here are 7 unsecured loans for bad credit. 7. Lending Club. Loans for bad credit. Lending Club is a standard online lending company offering high amount of loans. It doesn't publicly share any required minimum credit score, but interest rates for borrowers with bad credit can be high, ranging from 6.95% to 35.89% APR. Likewise, required origination fee can be 1% to 6% of your loan amount. It offers 3 and 5 years repayment options, which helps borrowers to keep relatively low monthly payments. This company has a long history of online lending. 7. Lending Club. Loan details. Loan amounts, least of $1,000 to maximum of $40,000. Fixed APR range from 6.95% to 35.89%. Variable APR range doesn't offer variable interest rates. Origination fee between 1% and 6%. Loan terms 36 months to 5 years. Recommended credit score either fair or better. Time to receive funds minimum of 4 business days. Late fee either $15 or 5%. 6. One Main Financial loans for bad credit. One Main Financial offers different types of loans, including unsecured personal loans to individuals with poor FICO scores. No minimum credit score is required to apply for a loan. The loans come with an origination fee ranging from $25 to $300 or 1% to 10% of your loan amount based on your state. Minimum and maximum loan amounts also vary by state, but in general, they range between $1,500 and $20,000. One Main Financial loan features various repayment terms that borrowers can choose from, fixed interest rate, which helps to prevent payment shocks in case of rate rise, same-day approval and funding in certain cases. Loan amounts range from $1,500 to $20,000, fixed APR range from 18% to 35.99%. Variable APR range does not provide variable interest rates. Loan terms 2 to 5 years. Origination fees $25 to $300 or 1% to 10% of approved loan amount. Late fees charges are $5 to $30 with 1.5% to 15% of loan amount. Time to receive funds, minimum of 1 business day. Recommended credit score, usually poor or better credit score. 5. Avant loans for bad credit. Avant is also an online lender that advertises quick funding for loans. There is no minimum credit score required and any consumer can freely apply. One thing is that with FICO credit scores exceeding 600, are more likely to get approved and qualify for reduced interest rates. Avant loan details. Loan amounts $2,000 to $35,000. Fixed APR range 9.95%, 35.99%. Variable APR range doesn't offer variable interest rates. Loan terms 2 to 5 years. Origination fee can be up to 4.75%. Late fee about $25. Time to receive funds 1 business day minimum. Recommended credit score either fair or better. 4. Peer form loans for bad credit. Peer form is perfect for credit card consolidation. If you are struggling with credit card debt, consolidation of your loans can help to regain control over your debt. Although poor credit is accepted to qualify for peer form loan, your report must be free of delinquent payments in the past 12 months. Peer form's loans last for 3 to 5 years with no prepayment penalties and no late fee. They deduct origination fees from the loan once it is credited to the borrower's account. Peer form loan details. Loan amount $4,000 to $25,000. Fixed APR range 5.99% to 29.99%. Variable APR range, no variable interest rates. Loan terms 3 or 5 years. Origination fee from 1 to 5%. Late fee either 5% or $15. Time to receive funds within 3 days. Recommended credit score, no minimum credit score required. 3. Lending point. Loans for poor credit. Lending point is best for installment loans. All of the lenders mentioned here offer installment loans, but Lending Point gives a high degree of flexibility to your installment payments. Therefore, you can choose between monthly and bi-weekly installment payments depending on your financial situation. Lending Point details: loan amounts $2,000 to $25,000. Fixed APR range 9.99% to 35.99%. Variable APR range does not offer variable rates. Loan terms 2 to 4 years. Origination fee 0% and 6%. Time to receive funds 1 business day. Recommended credit score 585 and above. 2. Local banks and credit unions, best for low interest rates. In the world of online banking and peer-to-peer lending, credit unions could seem irrelevant, but they are still helpful. If you particular have had bad credit, the best offers advertised online are only available to borrowers with excellent credit, whereas your local credit union might be willing to serve the community and help borrowers who have low credit scores. Your credit union, being a non-profit making institution, might be a good choice. Credit unions are unique as they may offer payday alternative loans called PALs in addition to personal loans. Depending on your credit score, those small short-term loans might be better than anything else available. Here are the top 5 best credit unions for personal loans. ENT Credit Union, Visions Federal Credit Union, Logix Federal Credit Union, Members First Federal Credit Union, Schools First Federal Credit Union. Number 1, personalloanonline.net, online direct lender. This website is a top choice when it comes to the selection of online lenders offering loans to consumers with bad credit. An individual can obtain personal loans to take care of any personal expense. Personalloanonline.net is not a direct lender or lending partner and doesn't make loans or credit decisions. This website only connects interested people with approved lenders or lending partners. The major offers from personalonline.net for individuals with bad credit include loan amount. The range that can be borrowed through this network is from $100 to $35,000. APR. An APR runs generally between 5.99% to 35.99%. Please read the loan agreement of each lender carefully as the APR may differ from what is listed on the site. Repayment terms. Personal loans generally have 61 days minimum and a 72-month maximum repayment terms. Credit score. Credit checks are most likely done by one of the major credit bureaus like Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, or by alternative credit bureaus like DP Bureau, Teletrack, etc. You can authorize personalloanonline.net to share your information as well as credit history with their approved lenders and lending partners. Extra fees. Loan fees, including late payment charges and interest rates, are solely determined by the lender or lending partner that issues the loan. Availability. The service of this website is not available in all states. If you request to link with a lender or lending partner in a particular state where such loans are not available, your application may be rejected. In addition to these lenders, here are some simple tips to get approved for personal loans even when your credit score is low. 1. Know your FICO score so that you can take appropriate decisions. 2. Dispute or pay off bad reports if necessary. 3. Ask a responsible person with good credit to add you as an authorized user. 4. Reduce or pay off your credit card balances. 5. Ask your credit card issuers to increase your credit limit. 6. Open a new credit card. Consider a secure card if you are not approved for a non-secure. 7. Finally, if these steps above are not enough, apply with a cosign.